Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today I will crochet joy from inside out. If you like this, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support really motivates me to create more videos for you. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, a needle, and a forceps for stuffing. The video is divided into 2 parts. In part 1, I will crochet the body of joy, and in part 2, I will crochet the hair and the clothing. I will start by crocheting the legs. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 7 single crochets into it. When you finish a round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. And then make a chain to start the next round. For rounds 1 to 9, do a single crochet in every stitch until the end. There should be a total of 7 single crochets in each round. Cut the leftover yarn when you finish the first leg. Then, make another leg with the same pattern. In round 10, change to green yarn, yarn over and pull out the yarn from the loop. Hold tight the yellow yarn tail, then make a chain with green yarn. Hold tight the green yarn tail. Insert the hook to another leg and do single crochet. Do another single crochet. Do 1 increase, one single crochet, 1 increase, and 2 single crochet. Then insert the hook to the first leg. And do 2 single crochet. 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 2 single crochet. Make 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to complete the round. Total 18 stitches. And then make a chain to start the next round. In round 11 to 13, single crochet in every stitch until end. Total 18 stitches. After that, you can fill the legs with some polyester fiber. In round 14, switch to yellow yarn. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook, then make 1 chain. Remember to hold both yarn tails tightly. Do 4 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern 3 times, total 15 stitches in this round. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. Remember to fill in polyester fiber before the hole gets too small. In round 21, do 6 increase, total 12 stitches. In round 22, do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this 6 times, total 18 stitches. In round 23, do 1 increase and 2 single crochet. Repeat this 6 times, total 24 stitches. In round 24, do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this 12 times, total 36 stitches. In round 25 to 26, single crochet in every stitches until end. Total 36 stitches. In round 27, we need to decrease on the face. Since everyone's crochet outcome may differ, adjust the decrease in the best spot on your doll. The spot I marked with a pin is where I need to make a decrease. The 3 single crochets between both decreases will still remain. You just need to adjust the beginning and ending stitch numbers accordingly. In my version, I will place the first decrease after 16 single crochets. If your stitches are twisting, you may need to adjust the number of single crochets before the first decrease. There are total 33 stitches in this round. For you to see clearly, I have pinned the decrease stitch. All the decrease are on the front-facing side. In round 28 to 32, single crochet in every stitch until end. In round 33, do 1 decrease and 9 single crochet. Repeat this set 3 times. Total 30 stitches in this round. After that, you can secure the eyes on round 28 to 29. Put it in stitch 17 to 18 and another in stitch 24 to 25. Here, I use 5.0mm eye bead. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. Remember to fill in polyester fiber before the hole gets too small. Here is the pattern of the hand. After completing the hand, sew it onto round 19 on both sides. The body of Joy is complete. Let's move on to part 2 of Joy's crochet to continue with the hair and dress. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crochet tutorials and creative crafts. See you next time.